In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to dock your ship in Starfield. So let's get started. One wonderful thing about Starfield is just how quickly the game puts you in the cockpit of your very own spaceship. Landing on planets and moons is a lesson that's quickly taught by the in-game tutorial, but it's also important to know how to go about docking with other ships and space stations. So here I am telling you how to dock your ship, so let's get started. So to dock in Starfield, you need to be within 500 meters of the target. Once in range, press E on the keyboard or A on your controller to target the ship or station. If you're within range, then you'll get on an on-screen prompt asking you whether to dock or hail the target. Once this prompt appears, press R to dock your ship or hold X on the controller. Doing this will prompt a docking cutscene, after which you're free either to board the ship or station you're docked with, or you can undock again if you want. You can dock your ship with nearly any other spaceship or space station you can come. So this means that you can go anywhere and you can dock your ship without any worries, even in front of hostile enemies. So yeah, that's how you basically dock ship, and it's a quick tutorial, but that's all you need to know about it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.